I'm attorney Zach Townsend with Pro Legal Care. I've been handling DCFS matters since 2011. The important thing to know about DCFS matters is they can happen to anyone. One mistake, one split-second decision, one moment of not paying attention. Things that we do as parents every day. Can you refuse to talk to DCFS? Can you refuse to let them in your house? The short answer is no. You are expected to cooperate, and you are expected to let them in your house. Even if they don't have a warrant, are you going to get arrested if you refuse to allow DCFS to enter? Probably not. But your parental rights are at stake, and you may lose your parental rights if you don't cooperate with DCFS. Can you find out who made the report to DCFS? The answer is no. The reporter of a DCFS hotline call or suspected abuse or neglect is anonymized, and it remains confidential. You're not allowed to learn of who made the report to DCFS. DCFS cases generally begin with a hotline call. A hotline call is how they refer to the report. Somebody's reported to DCFS a possible or suspected abuse or neglect. Are the records of DCFS public? Answer, no. DCFS records are private and they're sealed. They're only available to limited classes of people. Does a DCFS investigation show up on a background check? The answer is yes, but you need to understand that it's only for certain background checks. If you are indicated by DCFS, your name ends up on a registry. It's not a public registry, it's a private registry. What does DCFS consider abuse or neglect? The answer depends. It depends on the context, it depends on the circumstances, it depends on the history, it depends on the age and the maturity of the child. Frankly, it depends on the caseworker who's assigned your case. We all have subjective opinions, and those subjective opinions come into the work that we do. A lot of people ask me, how old do my children have to be before I could leave them home alone? There's no magic age at which you could leave your children home alone. It all depends on the total circumstances. The age of the child is important, but also the history of the child's behavior, the maturity of the child, the length of time that the child would be left alone. So it very much depends. How long can a DCFS case stay open? The law provides that a DCFS investigation that is open should be closed within 60 days. Oftentimes that's not met, whether it's because DCFS didn't take quick action, as maybe they should have, or because DCFS is understaffed or overwhelmed with a high volume of cases. These cases could stay open for months, sometimes years. It all depends on the circumstances, the severity of the harm alleged, and other parts of the case and other facts and circumstances. If DCFS is involved in your family, you need help and you need to act quickly. So make sure that you call me. I can get on the phone with you for an emergency consultation if needed. Just don't wait, take action, give me a call, and I can show you your new path forward.